Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a column chart using Microsoft Excel while comparing two factors at once. To start the tutorial, let's go ahead and choose our data. Be sure to include the headers as to make this faster for all of us. Next, go ahead and click on the Insert tab located on the top left portion of the screen. After that, click on the Insert column or bar chart. We can choose any style we want. But for now, we can choose this 3D column because it looks the best. You can drag the chart anywhere, so go ahead and do as you please. You can also change the chart style on the Chart Styles group on the top portion of your screen. Let's go ahead and choose any style we want. We can also resize the graph by dragging the corners inwards or outwards. Let's go ahead and double-click the chart title so we can change the title. For now, let's make this our quarterly sales. And there we go. And that is how we make a column chart in Microsoft Excel while comparing two factors. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.